Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. Yesterday we will discuss the diversity of the living birds. Today we discuss what is the nomenclature. Any child any organism can produce their name. How we can define the difference between these two items? Number of students are saying here, you and you all are having same in nature according to science, but your identity is a particular name, just like Salma, Rushida, and so on. If there is no name, then why we can identify and differentiate between these two girls? Now come to the point of nomenclature. Initial stage of searching of the organism, the members are hesitate how we can find and differentiate these organisms for their identification. Then also identification. First of all, what is the basis of classification? सबसे पहली चीज आती है बच्चों, what is the basis of classification? Now basis of classification, आपने 9th में पढ़ा होगा. What is the meaning of basis of classification? Why we can define and differentiate between two same organisms? He and she, boys and girls, both are the human being. Both are the same organism, same species. Then how we differentiate between them? Okay? तो basis of classification क्या है? Anyone? Only similarities. क्या है बच्चों? Similarities and dissimilarities is the basis of classification. Only similarities and dissimilarities is the basis of classification. फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों, आपको एक एग्जांपल छोटा सा दे दें. आजकल सीजन चल रहा है, आप आजकल सीजन देख रहे हो कि आजकल मैंगो का सीजन चल रहा है. मैंगो, ओके. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ मैंगो इन देयर बायोलॉजिकल इवेंट? और साइंटिफिक, इसी को यदि कहा जाए कि व्हाट इज द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ मैंगो, मोस्टली सेज मैंगिफेरा इंडिका. Why we can say mango? Because it is a system of classification. The fruit of guava is also fruit, mango is also fruit, but we collected separate form and saying two different names. Why? On the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. If another fruit known as apple, these are fruits. If we collect, these are under fruit, but they have different names on the basis of their taste, on the basis of their nature, on the basis of their beneficial events. So, need of classification. Something having nomenclature. Any person or any scientist try to name these items. What is classification? तो एक एग्जांपल देते हैं, समझ में आएगा. Suppose that here are you, means human. यदि हमें human का नाम लिखना है, how we write the systemic position? Systemic position फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिखेंगे हम किंगडम. क्या लिखेंगे? किंगडम. देन फाइलम, देन सब फाइलम, देन क्लास, देन ऑर्डर, देन फैमिली, देन जीनस, last is species. So species is the unit of classification. Only species is the unit of classification. These are this, and these are a taxa. Taxa means taxa is a group which can define a categories on the classification. अब हम इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे बेटा. देखो आपने कहा ह्यूमन किंगडम क्या हो सकता है, दैट इज ओनली एनिमल किंगडम, तो एनिमेलिया. ओके, फाइलम की बात करते हैं. फाइलम आपका कार्डेटा, सब फाइलम वर्टिब्रेटा, क्लास मैमेलिया, ऑर्डर प्राइमेटा, फैमिली होमोनिडी, जीनस होमो स्पेसीज सेपियंस. अब अगर हम इसके नाम की बात करें तो नेम होमो सेपियंस. Okay, this is a hierarchy of classification. This indicate hierarchy of classification. This is known as genus names or ये species is epithet. Now come to point of biological nomenclature. Biological nomenclature means bionomial nomenclature. Now come to the point, what is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? Look at me, what is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? Clearly, binomial means होता है टू नेम सिस्टम. इसे ही कहा जाता है बच्चों टू नेमिंग सिस्टम. given by Carolus Linnaeus, in which Linnaeus showed two specific effects. One is generic name and another is species name. All of you write Homo and also sapiens. Homo is a generic name. And here is a species name, specific epithet. After adding these two, we can say Homo sapiens. That's a scientific name of human being. Neither he or she. आप देख रहे हैं Homo indicate their generic name, sapiens indicate their specific name. When we add these two names in a commonly known as Homo sapiens, that is a scientific name of human being. After that, Linnaeus saying some points to write the names of animals. यदि हमें किसी भी एल्बम का नाम लिखना है तो लिनियस महोदय ने कुछ चीजें बताई हैं, उसे फॉलो करना होगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही से बायोलॉजिकल नेम्स आर जनरली रिटन इन लैटिन वर्ड, ओके, दैट इज शो because they will be derived from the Latin irrespective of their origin. Next point, उन्होंने दूसरी बात कही थी, when we write the name of any organism, the first letter of generic name is written as capital alphabet. Means if we imagine here in Homo, H is capital. In Homo, H is in capital letter. And the next, the specific name start from writing from small letters. Okay, after writing this, again look at me, Homo sapiens, and last underline both separately. Underline the both names separately. If you can listen me, when we try to write the name of any organism, first we know their generic name, and when we write handwritten, then the generic name of any organism is written as a capital letter, and specific name is written as a small letter. After writing of the name of organism, we underline both the names separately and then complete their biological names. Okay. The first letter of biological name of any organism indicate their genus, that is generic epithet, and the second name indicate species, that is a specific name. And when we add both the name in a simple way, that is Homo sapiens, these two names frame a scientific name of human being. Just like in mango, in case of mango, in case of mango, suppose that here is an mango, so their scientific name will be Kingdom Plantae. यहां पे क्यों डिवीजन लिखा जाएगा, डिवीजन, all of you know only 5 divisions in Kingdom Plantae. One is Thylophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, and Angiosperm. Then which particular division of the mango? Anyone say me? No? Only Angiosperm is the division of that particular mango. So we write Angiosperm. Why? Because mango is a flowering plant, and all of you know the flowering plants are include under Angiosperm. Okay, then अब बात करते हैं इसके genus की. What is the generic name of mango and what is the specific name of mango? So generic name of mango is Mangifera, and indica is their specific name. What is the scientific name? The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica, and after that we underline these two names separately. Okay, आया समझ में? Any doubt? Any doubts? Now this systematic arrangement of organisms in their taxon is known as systematics, the branch of biology which deals such known as taxonomy. Okay, today lectures will be finished here. If any students having any doubt, then ask me the question. Yeah, a systematic arrangement of an organism in their taxon is known as systematic, and the branch of biology which deals such known as taxonomy.